It took less than 2 hours, and we now have a verdict in the Bell County Justice of the Peace, Claudia Brown's case. But that jury, they have not read that verdict aloud just yet.
That's right. You may remember Judge Brown is on trial for setting a record-breaking $4 billion bond 2 years ago to prove a point regarding high bonds in the justice system. Fox 44's Noelle Mendoza is in the courtroom awaiting the verdict. Noelle?
Leslie, Robert, the jury was asked to answer true or not true to 17 questions regarding Judge Brown's ability to do her job. And we just got word minutes ago that the jury answered true to all but one of those 17 questions, meaning that she is incompetent to keep her position as Justice of the Peace.
Several of today's witnesses made it clear that when they worked with Judge Brown, they noticed she struggled to do her job or at times chose not to do it. District Attorney Henry Garza took the stand this morning. He said he and his team had to look at several bonds Judge Brown set because they were either too low or too high, saying that extra work put a burden on his office. When asked about the $4 billion bond she set 2 years ago on a murder suspect, Garza said the reasons she made for setting that excessive bond of proving a point was, quote, so wrong. 3 police officers, 2 from the Killeen Police Department and 1 from Harker Heights, also took the stand today. They talked about Judge Brown's ability to do her job. In one instance, she never showed up to declare the time of death, and in another, the officer said she comes in late daily to magistrate at the Killeen jail, struggles when dealing with documents, and fails to answer questions from prisoners regarding emergency protective orders. A Killeen Police Department sergeant who was the supervisor out on patrol the night Judge Brown's son, Kevin Davis, was arrested for DWI, said he called Judge Brown to notify her, and instead of calling another judge to magistrate, she told him she would take care of it, even after he hinted it was a conflict of interest. A lawyer who also worked closely with Judge Brown took the stand saying she gets confused in the courtroom, saying, quote, lights were on, but no one was home.
Again, just minutes ago, the jury came back with a verdict. They said true to 16 of the 17 questions asked, meaning that she is grossly ignorant or incompetent to continue as Justice of the Peace of Bell County. Now, this does mean that she could lose or be removed from that position. Live in Bell County, Noelle Mendoza, Fox 44 News.